Okay, so now that you've looked at your annual plan and the vision of the future and what you want things to look like a year from today, Paul's now going to show you how to boil that down to quarterly milestones to make that annual plan, smaller pieces to make it easier to achieve. Paul?
Absolutely. I mean, we've heard the saying, how do you eat an elephant one bite at a time?
Right.
And there's some applicability here. One of the things I want to add to the whole idea of setting goals out a year is when I set my goals and I write them down, so that's a key element of actually achieving them is writing them down.
Right.
But I also answer a question for each of the goals. How will I feel when I achieve this goal?
Right.
Because we don't want to run the race in that category and feel empty. We want to be anticipatory of what it'll actually feel like.
Right.
And then what I do is at the beginning of each quarter, I actually write down what the specific goals will be up until that first milestone, which is the end of the first 120 days.
Right.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then by the time I get to the end of that, I will be able to evaluate how I've done in that first period. I won't have achieved them all, but then I set out what I'm going to do the following quarter.
Right.
So you're always keeping one quarter ahead, and they're all milestones towards the bigger annual goals that we set at the beginning of the year.
Sounds like a plan.